There's major breaking news over at the United States Supreme Court right now. CNN's Jessica Schneider is on the scene for us. What are you learning, Jessica?
Well, Wolf, the Supreme Court has just handed down their decision on the application for that stay requested by the Biden administration. And it is, in fact, a win for the Biden administration, the FDA, the Supreme Court here saying that all of those restrictions that the Fifth Circuit had wanted to put on the abortion pill, they're saying that all of those restrictions will not take effect. So it will continue to be status quo for mifepristone and the way it's administered while the appeals process plays out in the Fifth Circuit. This is something this is the third time the Supreme Court has issued something related to this case. It took a little longer. We were expecting something perhaps on Wednesday, and here we are Friday night, and we're now seeing that the reason it took a little bit longer than expected is because there was a dissent from this from Justice Clarence Thomas, and then also a dissent from Justice Samuel Alito. Justice Alito did write about 4 pages of dissent saying why he would have let those restrictions go into effect, why a stay he believed wasn't warranted. But the takeaway here is that this will help the FDA. The FDA had warned of chaos and confusion if the stay had not been continued, if the stay had not been granted by the Supreme Court. So now things will remain as it's been for the past weeks and months and years as this case continues to play out in the lower courts, because the lower court here, the Fifth Circuit, has really fast-tracked this appeal. They have set a very fast briefing schedule. Oral arguments will be in less than a month on May 17th. So the underlying issue in this case as to whether the FDA went through the proper procedures to grant approval for mifepristone, that case will play out while everything else is on hold. So it will be status quo for this drug until the Fifth Circuit, can actually hear these arguments and then make a decision. But Wolf, it is very likely that this is not the last time the Supreme Court will weigh in on this. After the arguments play out and are decided in the Fifth Circuit, it is very likely that either party, the party that loses, will appeal this to the Supreme Court. But for now, a win for the Biden administration, and all things stay status quo, meaning women can continue to access this abortion pill as they have previously. Wolf?
Very significant news indeed. I want to bring in Joan Biskupic, who studies the Supreme Court for us, knows a lot about it. Give us your reaction, Joan.
I think this is a really important signal from the Supreme Court that we are in a different kind of lawsuit now. This is much different than what happened last June when the justices rolled back constitutional abortion rights, but said that abortion could still be legal in the states that so chose. And if they had gone in any other direction here, it would have been backtracking on that promise of states being able to do what they wanted. And one thing I would stress here is the lower court judges who acted in this case were really out on the outer limits here. They were going beyond what the Supreme Court had said back in June. Judge Kaczmarek, who heard the case originally in Amarillo, Texas, had really imposed his own moral and policy decisions here. I mean, he acknowledged that he was second-guessing the FDA, and he used language that certainly showed where he stood relative to abortion rights, straightly against them. And then the regional appellate court that had affirmed a portion of that decision had also shown that it was willing to engage in essentially a policy analysis by putting itself into the shoes of the FDA and its own scientific determinations. And the Supreme Court has pulled back. You know, again, as Jessica said, we don't know what will eventually happen when it resolves the merits of this case. But I think what we've seen now from the Supreme Court at this point is they are not going to try to extend kind of this aggressive anti-abortion movement against what states individually want to do and against a federal agency that approved this drug dating back to the year 2000 and has done its own scientific determinations about its safety and effectiveness. It's not in a position to second guess that at this crucial but still temporary point of the case.
Steve Vladeck, I'm anxious to get your reaction as well. Go ahead.
Yeah, hey, Wolf, I think Joan has it exactly right. And I would just add, I think this actually isn't that big of a surprise because of the chaos we would have seen at midnight tonight if Judge Kaczmarek's ruling had gone into effect. It's not the court telling us how they might rule eventually if the question of mifepristone access reaches them in a normal appeal. It's not the court saying, we disagree necessarily with the reasoning below, but it is the court saying that when we balance the equities, when we look at the potential harm of letting this decision go into effect while the appeal works its way through the courts versus keeping it on hold, that seems to be very one-sided here. Critically, and I think this is an important point, the case now will proceed in the Fifth Circuit, in the Federal Appeals Court in New Orleans. And one of the things we ought to keep an eye on is whether that court now looks at tonight's ruling and says the writing is on the wall, whether that court actually is now more skeptical of Judge Kaczmarek's ruling such that this case might never even come back to the Supreme Court. Either way, the headline for right now is that mifepristone access tomorrow is going to be the same as it was yesterday, that's not going to change anytime soon, and that the appellate process is now going to run its normal as opposed to chaotic emergency course.
Elizabeth Cohen's our senior medical correspondent. So what does this mean, Elizabeth, for women and healthcare providers, for that matter, here in the United States?
So, Wolf, I think we can hear OBGYNs across the country breathing a sigh of relief that this has happened this way, that for at least a certain period of time, they will be able to use mifepristone. This is a drug that they use to take care of women who are having miscarriages, who are having abortions. And it has been shown for 20 years to be safe. In fact, fewer deadly side effects than penicillin, fewer than Viagra, and now they can keep using it. If this decision had gone the other way and they weren't allowed to give mifepristone, they would have given the other drug that this is used with, it's called misoprostol, they would have had to have used that on its own. And that is an inferior treatment. So talking to doctors for the past 2 weeks, they said, why in the world would I want to give my patients an inferior treatment that I know is going to put them at a higher risk for having what could be potentially serious complications? I should be giving my patients the best treatment that's been studied in clinical trials and approved by the FDA. So I think there will be a feeling of great relief, but also a bit of a feeling of trepidation. All right, what happens after this certain period of time? What might change in the future?
Yeah, we'll see what happens down the road. Dana Bash is still with us. Dana, talk a little bit about the politics of all of this and how big of a win this is for the White House and for Democrats, for that matter.
Well, it absolutely is a big win. That's exactly how Jessica Schneider, when she broke the news, described it. But Elizabeth talked about the sigh of relief in and among obstetricians across the country. I think that there is definitely a sigh of relief that is much less audible, much more private among Republicans. And all you need to do is look at how Republicans who are either on Capitol Hill or more specifically those who are vying to be the Republican presidential nominee have had a lot of trouble figuring out where to stand on this issue, because it's the question of being sort of anti-abortion is one thing, but also being for states' rights is another. And what the Supreme Court did, at least for the time being, is allowed them to continue with if they so choose, that consistent argument that it is up to the states to deal with abortion, and it should not be a federal decision to just completely do away with this medication, which, as Elizabeth just said, has been proven time and time again for 2 decades to be quite safe, not just for abortion, but for other medical issues like dealing with women who have miscarriages.
And Steve Vladeck, I saw you nodding, so go ahead and give us your thought.
No, I mean, I think that's right. I mean, I think both what Dana said and what Elizabeth said is exactly right. And, I think what this really does is this reminds us of the difference between how this kind of litigation is supposed to go and how it's increasingly going the way that the legal system has been acting in the last couple of years. It's not normal, Wolf, for us to be having these kinds of late Friday night fire drills where we're worrying about, in 5 hours, is nationwide access to this vital medication going to be entirely disrupted? And so I think it's another possible way of looking at tonight's ruling, that the Supreme Court, rather than necessarily signaling a view on the mifepristone question specifically, is actually signaling a view on sort of letting this work its way through the courts without disrupting the entire health system in the process. I think that's a return to normalcy that creates predictability, as Elizabeth says, for medical providers. It creates maybe some more political predictability And frankly, Wolf, from my perspective, it's really a much more realistic and I think even-keeled way, right, for the legal system to be handling these kinds of disputes.